Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can write your own wish on a sea lantern in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. Right now there's an event in Heartopia. It's called the Sea Lanterns of Sentiment event, and this is a limited time event guys. It will leave after 5 days 10 hours, and basically in this event you'll be able to write your own wish on the lantern. And to write your own wish, you need to have the Lotus Sea Lantern. Go to the Sea Lantern store here, and then you need to buy the Lotus Sea Lantern recipe. So this is a recipe, and to buy it you need to have stars, and if I'm not mistaken it costs 10 stars. And after you get the recipe, you need to go to your workbench, and then you can craft this Lotus Sea Lantern with this recipe. If you're still confused on how to craft it, you can watch my previous video on how to get and use the Lotus Sea Lantern. And after you get the lantern, you need to go to the release point, and you can track the release point. And after you arrive at the release point, you can release your Lotus Sea Lantern. Okay, you can find a spot. For me guys, I'm going to release it here, and you can click on the lotus icon and select your Lotus Sea Lantern and write a blessing. And for me, I'm just going to write okay, done for my blessing, and then I'm going to click on release into the sea. Okay, and you can also read the other DG members wishes or blessings on the Lotus Sea Lantern. Okay, done. This is mine guys. All right. Okay guys, and that's how you can write your own wish on the Sea Lantern in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.